Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT on Filmora 12. As many of you know, you can now use ChatGPT on Filmora 12. So we are going to start, as you can see here, right now I'm on Filmora 12, okay? From here, you can do a lot of stuff, instance mode, screen recorder, instance data. So what I'm looking for here is this one here, AI copywriting. Okay, you are allowed to use 20 question per day. Okay, as you can see right now, I got only 19 left. Only 19 left. Okay, so from here, I'm going to ask AI from Filmora 12 to suggest. You can say 5 title about. I can say Filmora 12 chat GPT. And then you click submit. Remember, you need to log in on your Filmora account before you use the AI copywriting. Okay. And then you click submit. As you can see, it's taking an answer for me. We are going to wait. As you can see here, those are the answers I got. Okay. Well, I'm not happy with this. I'm going to ask you to write something else. Series 5 YouTube title about Filmora 12 and I submit. As you can see here now, I got only 18 left. Let's see. There you go, it's done. Only 10 quick tips for editing with Filmora 12. I like this one. Creating. Okay, you can pause the video and read it. And when you're done, you can copy it from here. You click copy and it's done. Okay. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.